How many times can I apply for citizenship? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. About a year ago, a young man came to see us. He was from the Democratic Republic of Congo, and he had applied for citizenship not once, not twice, not 3 times before, and he had been denied each time. Now, I will say that on some of the denials, it was USCIS's fault, and on at least one, it was the client's fault. He hadn't updated his address, but he wanted to know, I've had my case denied 3 times now. Do you think that I can get this case approved? Now, most of his issues were about 7 or 8 years ago, so I looked over the file, and in fact, as my wife wisely recommends to many of our clients, we went ahead and did a Freedom of Information Act request for his file. And we did that before we filed because we wanted to see what had happened on the prior 3 denials. Sometimes clients come to you and they don't have all of their records, and so it's a really good idea to go back and look at the USCIS file that you can obtain through a Freedom of Information Act request. Now, you don't get everything, but you get a whole lot, and if your client is a poor historian or if they don't have a lot of good records, it's always a good idea to go back and get that old file or the old filings and the denial so that you can see, how can I craft my 4th application, this latest application, in a way that's going to make it as strong as possible and hopefully resolve some of the issues that USCIS had flagged before. So that's exactly what we did. We did the FOIA. It came back. One of our attorneys analyzed it. We did a chronology of what had happened. We spotted the issues. And at the end of the day, our client looked very clean for the last 8 or 9 years, so we felt very comfortable filing a 4th naturalization application. And it had been some time since he had filed, actually several years, and so we felt that we were in a pretty good position. So just this last week, I flew down to Dallas where we had his interview, and I think that interview lasted about 17 minutes. The officer had clearly decided that she was going to approve the case. She flew through the issues raised in the prior applications, and the case was just approved yesterday. So here our client has been waiting a very long time for his citizenship, and it's proof that you can get citizenship after multiple denials, but you're going to have to be smart about it, you're going to have to be organized, you're going to have a lot of attention to detail, and you're going to have an honest assessment as to whether or not you are in fact eligible for naturalization. So we're very happy for our client, glad that it worked out, and you can get your citizenship even if you've been denied before. So we've had cases before with prior denials. I don't think we've had one with 3 prior denials, but for our client this time it worked out, and we're certainly glad about that. So if you have questions about applying for citizenship after you've been denied or anything related to the immigration process at all, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can always email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is growing. It's called Immigrant Home. We post a lot of relevant immigration news in there and blog posts and things like that. And then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video so that you can get alerted when we make new videos just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.